good. 3C Saumya, very good. 3C Ashwant S, very good. 3C DV Sadhana Shri. Okay. Once I'm saying name, you have to change the pages. Vidyut B, I want your classwork notes. I don't want textbook. Classwork notes, Vidyut B. Yes, from 3C IK Shanvika. Turn the pages. After that, 3D Akash E. Akash E, yes, turn the pages. 3D Adrit P, turn the pages and show me your classwork notes. Adrit P. Here, after that, yes, very nice. Turn the pages. Next, 3C Sanjana Shri. Sanjana Shri. Next, 3D Avnit L. Avnit L. I'm writing those names. Yes, change the turn the pages. Everyone turn the pages. Next, 3D Harshini R. Turn the pages. Next, 3D Lakshmanan N. M. Lakshmanan M. Show me your classwork notes. Vishwant, your video is not okay. Fine. Next, 3D Vishnu. 3D Vishnu. Very good. On your videos, everyone. 3D Sahitya. Yes, everyone, please on your video and show me your classwork notes. Whose video I can see, I'm taking their name only. 3C Hiran Kaushik. Turn the pages. Hiran Kaushik, on your video, why you have switched off? Yes, next. Come on, everyone, on your video. Whatever you have completed one lesson, you have to show me that lesson. If you have completed everything, you have to turn the pages and show me. And that is your writing mark. Okay? Next, R. Vishnu Priya. You have to mention your section also, dear. After that, 3D P. Gunapriyan. Show me your classwork note. I can see your fan. Classwork note, dear. Rag Varshini Ji. Very nice. Gunapriyan, show me your classwork note. Next, Taruniya P3D. Taruniya P3D. Next, I can see Taruniya. Others, why you are not opening your video? Come on, everyone, on your video. Sadhna ma'am. Acha, Divya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Adarsh Ji. Sadhna ma'am, just unlock to Sadhna ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Adarsh Ji, very good. Next, Rukshant A. Rukshant A from 3D. Turn the pages. Odisha from 3D. Rukshant from 3D. Odisha from 3D. Turn the pages, both of you.
Sadhana ma'am is in unmute, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. 3D Aparna. 3D Aparna. Turn the pages, Aparna. 3D Harshini R. I have seen. Yes. So I'm taking the names. Those video only I saw today. Kirti Alini, Saumya, Ashwant S, Sadhana Shri, Shanvika, Akash, Adrit, Sanjana Shri, Avanit L, Lakshmanan M, Harshini R, Vishnu, Sahitya, Hiren Kaushik, Vishnu Priya, Ragavarshini, Taruniya, Adarsh, Udisha, Rukshant and Arpita. Others, quickly on your video. 3D Vishnu I saw. Okay. So next Monday I will check again and I want all the videos on and I want to check your classwork notes. That is your writing skill marks. Yes, I want answers in chat box. Everyone has to finish the classwork notes from till next Monday. And I'm going to check all of your classwork notes and that is your marks for writing skill. 3C Hasini. Okay. Hariharan V, I can, 1 minute, huh? CD Hariharan V, 3C Gokul, 3C Ritvik and show me classwork notes. 3C Tanmati. 3C Tanmati, very good. 3D Lakshmanan M, I saw you. Yes. Kanishka Shri, very good. Turn the pages.
Ma'am, Ragavarshini, ma'am.
Ragavarshini, I saw your. Very good. Aparna R, I saw Aparna R also. Next, I think I have seen. Whoever on the video I have seen. If I miss some name, we will check on next Monday again. So who don't Netra Sai, 1 minute. I'm going to check Netra Sai. साधना मैम आपको दिख रहा है नेत्रा साई का वीडियो?
हाँ मैम मुझे दिख रहा है.
Okay.
नेत्रा साई फ्रॉम 3C. हाँ दिख रहा है.
3C. Okay, fine. Okay, if I miss some name, then I will check again on next Monday. So next Monday again, everyone sit with your classwork notes and I'm going to check your notes. Okay, that marks are your writing skill marks. Clear, everyone? Yes. Say answer. Give answer in chat box. Yes. Next Monday again. Yeah. Very good. So today, last 15 minutes, we have test on lesson number 2, online test. Revision test on lesson number 2, which classwork notes revision we have done last period only. We have done classwork note revision last period, so we have test in last 15 minutes on lesson number 2. Any doubts regarding classwork notes or any lessons what we have finished? If you have doubt, you can ask in chat box doubt. I will call your name. Any doubts? Yes, and please don't send unnecessary emojis. Don't click on emojis. Okay, no doubt. Fine. So we will start something new, and after that, last 15 minutes, again we will send Ginati notes. Today I'm going to upload. Once I upload, I will give message on your Telegram group. So only Ginati notes are pending that I will upload today. Okay, so fine. I'm going to share something. I'm going to draw something on whiteboard. Okay, you have to tell me what is there, what I'm drawing. Yes, write in chat box what I am drawing. पानी, very good. मैंने क्या draw किया है? पानी. So I'm writing here पानी. पानी means water. Everyone know this now. Okay. So many times we have learned. Pani means water. Now I'm drawing something in water. Okay, so what is there in water? Machli. Very good. Ma-cha-li. Machli means fish. So I have drawn water and fish. क्या मैंने चित्र कौन सा निकाला है? पानी का और मछली का. So what you will make sentence in English while seeing in water and fish? What you will make sentence in English? Just write a sentence in English. What you will water and fish, and look at the picture and make one sentence. Look at the picture and make one sentence in English. Okay, not in Hindi. What you are looking at the pictures? What is there in pictures? Yes, there is a fish. There is a water. Then fish is swimming in the water. Very good, Hasini. Yes. Fish is swimming in the water. Okay, very good. Odisha. And what you will say? You can say fish in the water. Very simple. Yes, fish in the water. So, what we are going to learn today, that looking at the picture and we can say what is there in the water, or the proper things. Where is that proper thing that we are going to talk? So, pani and machli. Using with these two words, I'm going to make a sentence like pani. 1 minute. पानी में मछली है. I say पानी में मछली है. Fish in the water. Fishes are in the water. Okay, पानी में मछली है. Now everyone knows that pani means water. Machli means fish. Now, what is the meaning of may? What is the meaning of may? That we are going to learn today. May. May means in. May means in. I-N. When you are using the sentence, whatever sentence in English, when you use in, that time in Hindi we use may. But when you are talking about yourself, that time also you are saying मैं अच्छी लड़की हूँ, मैं अच्छा लड़का हूँ. That time we are writing may is I की मात्रा with one dot, my. But while speaking we say मैं. Okay, this is for I. This is the meaning of I. I am a good boy. मैं अच्छा लड़का हूँ. Like that time we are using this second may. But when there is only एक ही मात्रा, one dot, that may, that is the meaning is in. So पानी में मछली है. पानी में मछली है. If suppose I'm going to school, or some girl name, suppose Shraddha. Shraddha is going to school. So how you will say Shraddha school में जा रही है. Shraddha is studying in school. How you will say Shraddha school में पढ़ती है. She is studying in school. Or if I am saying that, if suppose Rahul, the name is Rahul, and Rahul खेलने जा रहा है मैदान में. So if he is going to play on the playground, so how you will say Rahul is going on the playground. राहुल मैदान पर जा रहा है खेलने के लिए. So this may and on, for on we are using some other letter. I will give you that example also. So पानी में मछली है. May means in. So we will go for one more example. पानी में मछली है. Okay, now I'm going to give one more example to you. So I'm drawing something. Just tell me what is this? What is this? What I have drawn? Mage. Very good, Akash. Odisha, Akash. So many of you are giving answers. Very good. Netra Sai. Mage. ये क्या है? Mage. Mage means table. Very good. Mage means table. Mage means table. So I have drawn here table. Now I'm going to draw something on the table. तो टेबल पे क्या है? क्या है? What is on the table? No, this is not kitab. Just check what is on the table. What is on the table? What is on the table? See, I'm using on. I'm using on. So what is on the table? What you can see? No, this is not roti. This is ball. This is ball. Draw again. What is on the table? Ball on the table. Yes. So I'm writing now with using ball and table. With using this two, how you will say that the sentence? Just make one sentence using ball and table. You want to tell me the you have to join these words, add words of table and ball in sentence, and tell me one sentence. Just look at the picture and what you can create one sentence. Create in English. मेज पर गेंद है. Very good, Ram Sharan. You have made in ball is on the table. How we will write in English? Ball is on the table. Yes, we can write like this. Something problem with notation. So in Hindi, how you can say this? मेज पर गेंद. मेज पर गेंद है. मेज पर गेंद है. I have not said मेज में गेंद है. May means in. Just now we have seen that. May means in. But पर means on. पर हम यूज करते हैं because we have to use on. मेज पर गेंद है. Ball on the table. May means in. Fish is in the water. Ball on the table. Yes. So what we use in? What word we use in for Hindi? Write in chat box. What we use in for Hindi? May. May means in and per means on. So there are some sentence. Regarding we have to describe the things, where the things are on the or in the. We have to do that, and we have to ask the questions in Hindi also. For example, how I asked what is on the table, मेज पर क्या है? What is on the table? मेज पर क्या है? Then you answered मेज पर गेंद है. Ball is on the table. मेज पर गेंद है. So this is the way. There are some pictures and we have to ask the questions and the answers are also there. So looking at one picture, we have to tell what the particular thing is where. What is their place? We have to discuss about place. Yes, that is your lesson number 3. Your lesson number 3 परिचय पाठ 3. वहां पे हमें बोलना है कौन सी वस्तु कहाँ है, ऊपर है या नीचे है या अंदर है या बाहर है, जहां पे भी है उस वस्तु के बारे में हमें बात करनी है. So that lesson we will start on the next Monday. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt? Yes. Any doubts? No. So next Monday, we are going to start the lesson. If you have book, and everyone has book now, so just try to read the lesson number 3 before sitting to the class. Read the lesson number 3. So we will discuss on next Monday. Yes? Clear all of you? Yeah. And who has not showed me classwork notes today, next Monday I want to see all of your classwork notes. And I will post Ginati classwork notes, that is 1 to 10. Everyone knows how to write 1 to 10. I will post that classwork note also. And homework, I will post some worksheet. You have to do the homework in your homework book. Yes? Any doubts? No? Yes, Yalini? Yes?
Ma'am, what day, ma'am, you can send? What day you can
What?
send, ma'am? What day you can send?
What? Sadhna ma'am? Can you hear her?
What day what send dear? What day send? ऐसा क्वेश्चन
आवाज कट
ऐसा
रही
ही.
है.
Yes. One more
Yalini,
time.
your voice was breaking. Yalini?
नहीं किस दिन भेजोगे कुछ पूछ रही है. What time what day you send ऐसे ही पूछा उसने.
I think if you are asking about the classwork, I will post classwork. Once I post, we will give you message in Telegram group about Ginati classwork. Others, everything is finished. Lesson number 9, 1 and 2, we have already posted. Ginati classwork notes. After writing lesson number 2, you have to write Ginati classwork notes. That I will post. Okay? And once I post, I will give message in your Telegram group.
You send in
Anything
the
else?
WhatsApp. You send in the WhatsApp.
What? Hello?
Dear, please ask the full question. What you are telling we can't understand.
Voice is breaking, ma'am. I think you are asking about the notes we are sending to the Telegram group. We can't send on Telegram group classwork notes. Classwork notes are uploaded in the MVMM app as well as website. Yes, I think this was your question. If it is there anything else, you just write in chat box. So we will start the test now. If you have any doubts related to lesson number 2, you can ask now. So we will clear that and then we will start the test. And everyone has to give test. If the link is not opening now, we will send a link on your in your class group. You have to submit today itself, because that all the marks we are writing down. That means how you are active in class and how you are doing your studies. So everyone has to give this revision practice test. Then only you will be perfect in assessment. So this is for your revision. So you have to give, everyone has to give the test. Yes? Clear? If the link is not opening now, you have to do within that day. Yes, everyone is clear? Yeah. Now I'm going to post the link on chat box. 1 minute. Sadhna ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
मैं पोस्ट कर देती हूँ, बाद में आप
मैं ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है, ओके।
वही इसको शेयर कर दीजिए चैट बॉक्स में, चैट बॉक्स से ना, आप शेयर कर दीजिए और पढ़िए।
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके ओके।
So I have posted a link twice. Click on that link, write your name, section, and start writing answers. Yes, साधना मैम, आप शेयर कर दीजिए स्क्रीन को।
मैंने कर दिया, अभी दिख रहा है ना स्क्रीन?
हाँ, अभी तक तो नहीं आया है, आएगा मे बी।
अच्छा, ओके।
नहीं आया अभी तक।
अभी तक नहीं आया, मैंने शेयर कर दिया है, देखिए थोड़ी देर में आ जाएगा।
नहीं नहीं, नहीं आया है। आप स्टॉप शेयरिंग करके वापस कर दीजिए।
ओके ओके।
हाँ, अभी आ गया।
Okay. Yes, children, open your link and it will be like this, and then you have to first write your name. I will read the questions only and you have to select the correct answer. Okay? I will read all the questions. First, in the name of the students, write your name. Next, grade and section. Select your grade with the section and start the test. Yes, ready? Everyone is ready? So the first question is, शब्दार्थ लिखिए. Yes, we have already know the meaning of शब्दार्थ. शब्दार्थ means that we will give the Hindi words and you have to write the English meaning of the word, of that Hindi word. So the first is शब्दार्थ लिखिए. सबेरे. The word is सबेरे in Hindi, and the English meaning you have to select from this. The correct answer you have to select. So सबेरे. The second question है, दूसरा क्वेश्चन है गेंद. This all the questions are related to your lesson number 2. गेंद. Select the English meaning of the word. The third question is आदमी. आदमी. You have two options. You have to select the correct answer. The English meaning of आदमी. The fourth question is बच्चा. The fourth question is बच्चा. Click on select the correct answer from this two. The fifth question is, पांचवा question है पत्ता. पत्ता. The sixth question is जमीन. जमीन. The two options are there. Select the correct answer. सातवां प्रश्न है खाना. The seventh question is खाना. The meaning of खाना in English you have to select. आठवां प्रश्न है, eighth question is गिरना. गिरना. गिरना को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? You have to select. Yes. So these are the 8 शब्दार्थ. Now the next is Roman letter 2. खाली स्थान भरिए. खाली स्थान भरिए means filling the blanks. The first question is, पहला प्रश्न है, औरत डैश पीती है. You got two options and you have to select the correct answer from this two. औरत डैश पीती है. The second question is, रेलगाड़ी डैश आती है. रेलगाड़ी डैश आती है. Select the correct answer and fill in the blanks. The third question is लड़की dash पढ़ती है. लड़की dash पढ़ती है. So this is 3. Filling the blanks. Now the third Roman number 3. लिंग बदलिए. Yes, we all know the meaning of लिंग बदलिए. Gender changing. लिंग बदलिए. The first is लड़का, and you have to change the gender for लड़का. The 2 options are there, and you have to select the correct answer. The next question is second is बिल्ली. बिल्ली. For बिल्ली, you have to change gender. 2 options are there. Yes, Roman number 4. वचन बदलो. वचन बदलो means singular, plural. वचन बदलो. The first is patta. The first is patta, and you got 2 options to change vachan badlo and select the correct one from these 2. The second is ladka. The second question is ladka. Now Roman number 5. Yes, Roman number 5. Vilom shabd likhiye. Vilom shabd, we all know. Vilom means opposite words. Vilom shabd means opposite words. The first is yahan. Yahan. The question is yahan, and you got 2 options for the opposite. The second question is zameen. The second question is zameen, and opposite for zameen you have to select from these 2 options. The third question is rona. Rona. Yes. Now Roman number 6. जवाब दीजिए. जवाब दीजिए means give the answers, question and answers meaning. पानी कैसे बहता है? The first question is पानी कैसे बहता है, and you got 2 options and answer, select the correct answer from this 2 for the question पानी कैसे बहता है. The second question is, yes dear, those who have finished, write your marks in chat box. Okay. बिल्ली कैसे दौड़ती है? The second question is बिल्ली कैसे दौड़ती है? From the 2, select the correct answer. The third question, the last.
Question paper.
Yes, dear. लड़का क्या खेलता है? The last question. लड़का क्या खेलता है? And you got 2 options. Select the correct answer from this 2. लड़का क्या खेलता है? If you have done, on the submit, yes, and share your marks in a chat box.